So when BJP withdrew cases, what is it then? BJP is only doing emotional politics in Karnataka because they are unable to match the development that is taking place in Karnataka. Even the governor's address very clearly established that the Bharatiya Janata Party has throughout been telling lies to the people, that because of guarantees there is no development in Karnataka. They must come out with what is the development that they did in the 4 years and what is the development we have done in the last 2 years. Let them match it and show the people. Very clearly the governor's address, which pinpointedly throughout facts, statistics, numbers, shows the development that is taking place in Karnataka. Therefore, they are unable to digest this fact, unable to digest their defeat in the by-elections, and therefore they are creating an emotional narrative which is their modus operandi every time.